Hi guys, happy Monday. I am going to walk you through what we're doing today in class. So today is very just an investigation. We are starting systems of equations. This should be a review from 8th grade. You should have seen systems in 8th grade, and hopefully this will only take us a day to review. So you are going to do slides 1 through 4 on this Desmos. You'll find that in Google Classroom. And this just wants you to type an XY ordered pair to put on this line, to put a point on this line. So you want to click anywhere on here, find an ordered pair, type it in here, and you want it to go on the line. The second slide says type an XY ordered pair that's a solution to this equation. So what could be X? So say that I pick a number plus 2, then what would Y be? And you're putting that ordered pair in for slide 2. So it says, here's your ordered pair plotted as a point together with this line that we just had from the last slide. It says, if you can't see your point, then this slide probably was not correct. Okay, so you want to make sure that whatever you put in plus 2 was your Y value. Okay, or maybe it's outside of your window. And you want to make sure it's kind of, see how it goes from like 0 to 8 on all of these. So try to do something that is within that window. So it says, is your ordered pair correct? How do you know? So you know because where should that point be if it works for this equation? It should be on the line, right? It's a solution to this equation, which means it would be on the graph that we see. So slide 4 is continuing to just have this conversation about what does it mean to be a solution, right? So for example, if I say 2, 5 is a solution to this equation, how could we check this claim? Well, X is 2, right? So 2 times 2 is what? 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3. So it's 4 plus 3. Is 5 equal to 7? I don't know. So you're going to put here what you think about that. If 2, 5 is a solution to this, okay? So you're going to take a pause from slide 1 to 4. And this is the investigation that we're doing today. So kids are going to have free time, not free time, but time in class to work through this entire paper. There are 3 examples. So we're going to type these 2 equations into Desmos. So it says graph the following equations. You're going to type those 2 things in Desmos. What do you notice? So what do you see basically? And then how many solutions do you think that this has? Question 2 and question 3, you're going to do the same thing. Just how many do you think? What do you think about that? And then you're going to come back to the Desmos. And if I'm being honest, no one's probably going to stop here and do the pink sheet. I would love for you to do that. But if not, then you're going to go through on from 5 to 11. And it's going to kind of go more in depth about what is a solution. And we're looking for, when we're talking about systems, is there a solution? If there's a solution, what's the solution? Okay, there's 3 things that we're looking for. We're looking for a solution. You're going to learn what that is going through all of this, hopefully. No solution. Hopefully you'll know what that is by the end of the Desmos. And infinitely many solutions. So there's going to be 3 types of graphs that we're going to be looking at today. The homework for tonight, so after you go through these, you're going to practice entering them into Desmos and identifying, is there a solution? What is it? Or no solution, or infinitely many solutions, okay? So there's 3 examples of all of these, and you'll go through these slides, and it'll talk through what the solution means, what it means when there is no solution, and then this is kind of a challenge. An extension that we'd like for you to type in here, y equals something, if I do 6x plus 2, okay, I'm going to press check my answer and it'll graph these equations. So it wants you to graph 2 lines that the solution would be 1, 4. So obviously I want to reset. That's not correct, okay, and use this grid to help you find the slope and find the y-intercept. So good luck. We will see you tomorrow in a video, and we will further clarify some of this stuff. So thanks, guys. Have a great Monday.